Wagwan apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making onion oil, and the first ingredient will be onion, of course. Onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss, and it promotes hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production, and collagen in turn helps with hair growth. Onion also help against premature graying, lets a healthy shine, adds volume to the hair, and work against dandruff. I plan to use this DIY whenever I'm making like DIY hair mask and like just treat my hair overall. Next up is olive oil. It moisturizes the hair, prevents frizz, it's a natural hair smoother, it treats split ends and cures dandruff. Next up we have some lavender. Lavender nourishes damaged hair, repels head lice, stimulates hair growth, and it removes dandruff and itchy scalp. Up next is some black castor oil. We all know all the good benefits. It thickens the hair, strengthens the hair, provides shine, it helps with alopecia. And last but not least, I have some passion fruit essential oil, and it has a citrusy smell, such a nice fragrance. I love it. And I'm just using that to pump the smell of the onion, and then I'm going in with few drops of peppermint oil. And peppermint oil is also good for hair growth. It helps to stimulate the scalp. So right here, all I'm doing is to cut up the onion in some big chunks, and after that I'm going to throw it into the food processor and let it, cut it up smaller, and then you'll see the next step.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel light.
So the first thing I'll be doing is to pour out 1 cup of olive oil, and I'll be pouring it into a small pot. So of course you need a small pot for the infusion process. So now I pour the onion into the olive oil, and I'm going to let it boil on medium heat for like 30 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it off and let it sit for like 2 hours. The onion was infusing. I add a tablespoon of lavender, and then I mix it around in the pot. You'll see after. So this is after 2 hours. You see how the onion swell, guys, and you can barely see the lavender, so it's fully infused. I then went ahead and strain the onion and get the oil, but guys, I didn't get to show you because my tripod was acting up. So now I'm going in with some passion fruit essential oil, and I'm just using this to pump up to kind of kill the scent of the onion in oil. So if you want to wear your hair, like if you want to oil the roots and go out, you can do it freely. So I'm just adding a couple drops of passion fruit essential oil, after which I will be going in with some peppermint essential oil, and this also will help to hide the smell of the onion. So guys, passion fruit is my new favorite essential oil. It just has such a nice smell. I love it. Now I'm going in with some Jamaican black castor oil, like roughly about a tablespoon, and then I'm going to mix this oil around. I also went in and add some rose essential oil after, but I didn't get to show that, guys. Every oil combined masked the onion smell. It was so nice. Thanks for watching. One love.
Tell me, Shensia, like you want me hit the spirit like a gem.